Hello, this is a room tour on the P&O Iona. We are on deck 4 and an inside cabin this time. And our room number is 4621. Let's have a little look inside. As soon as you come in, you put your key into there and that helps the lights come on. To the left hand side as you walk in is the bathroom area. Let's have a quick look in there. And I think for an inside cabin this is quite a spacious bathroom. Very nice. There's me. Hello. 3 separate areas for storage. Toilet there. Nice sink. And what I think is a very, very reasonably sized shower for this accommodation, if I'm honest. Nice over shower. You've got your cord there ready for hanging up any wet clothing, like swimming clothes. So I was just emptying that. So I'll give you a quick look from the outside of that. As I say, that's quite a decent size for an interior cabin. Walking outside again, we've got the wardrobes next to the door. There we go. Some quite good storage. Storage at the top there. Some storage there. Hanging space. Close up these. This is going to be a very quick one. And there's storage at the top. Safe. And some more storage all the way down to the bottom there. Moving in a little bit further into the cabin, on the right hand side you've got your tea, coffee making facilities, 2 UK style plugs there, which is quite nice to see, and 2 more bits of storage for small items there. Pretty decent sized desk. There are own teas there, they're not included, but the 2 waters were included. Small little chair there. On this side, that's the television. Very reasonably sized television, to be fair. Another little desk under here, a little bit more storage this side. And on this side, got a fridge. And inside the fridge, we've put a few drinks and bits and pieces. And over here is the bed, which we've had done in a queen configuration, but you can have it as 2 twins. There's storage either side of the beds. Lamps either side, and if I remember rightly, yeah, there's a small USB plug there, as well as a British socket on that side as well, which I think is quite good. The other side hasn't got a British socket, but it has also got the USB underneath the light. Just show you that. There we go. And a little bit more storage there. And of course, underneath the bed, your cases will be able to go. All in all, I think for an inside cabin, it's quite spacious. There's only 2 of us in here. I don't know what it'll be like in another cabin which has 4, whether that'll be a little bit cosy, I don't know. But this is more than adequate for us. We're going on a cruise to Bruges, Amsterdam, Rotterdam and Hamburg in October. So we weren't too keen on having a balcony cabin because the weather sometimes at that time of year isn't the best in this part of the world. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this was help to you if you wanted to choose an inside cabin on P&O's Iona. Thanks very much for watching.